Scan to unlock Sovi and ace your tests.
Position graphs for center of mass can be tricky, but we will solve this fast. Let us analyze the slope to find the correct answer. The slope of the center of mass position graph represents the velocity of the entire system. Notice how the slope increases between time 1 and time 2 on the provided graph. Since the slope is getting steeper, the system is accelerating in the positive x direction. This change requires a net external force acting on the objects to cause that specific acceleration. Newton's second law states that positive acceleration requires a force in the positive x direction. This makes option A the correct choice. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Watch signs to avoid a rush. Always trust given data and check steps.